Section 1. Busting the Big Budgeting Myth. A new way to think about your money. Most people think budgeting is a punishment. They believe it is a strict, joyless process that involves tracking every single penny you spend and cutting out all the things that make life enjoyable. They imagine endless spreadsheets, constant guilt over buying a coffee, and a life devoid of spontaneity. This is the biggest myth in personal finance, and it is the reason so many people fail before they even start. The truth is, managing your money doesn't have to be about restriction. It can be about freedom. It can be simple, and it can actually improve your life, not diminish it. The 50-30-20 rule rejects the old, painful way of thinking and offers a clear, simple path forward. The 50-30-20 rule explained. Your simple map to financial clarity. At its core, it's a conscious spending plan, not a restrictive budget. The rule's beauty, simplicity, and broad categories. Let's break down each percentage. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and debt. This structure keeps your money balanced. Imagine your take-home pay is $3,000 per month. $3,000 take-home pay. $1,500, 50% for needs. $900, 30% for wants. $600, 20% to savings and extra debt payments. These numbers are guidelines, not rigid laws. The power is in prioritizing what matters. The 50% for needs, building your financial foundation. Needs are the bedrock of stability. This half is reserved for essentials. Non-negotiables to live and work. A roof over your head, food on your table, keeping the lights on, rent or mortgage, electricity, water, home groceries, transportation to work, car payment and gas, a transit pass, insurance premiums, minimum payments on debts. Defining a need requires honesty. If skipping it has serious consequences, it's a need. Basic internet for work. Need. Premium gaming speeds. Want. Reliable car. Need. Luxury SUV. Want. The 30% for wants. How to live richly without going broke. This is what makes the rule sustainable. Your designated fund for fun and small luxuries. Dining out at restaurants, morning coffee, weekend movies, streaming services, a gym membership, hobbies, clothes, gadgets. Guilt-free. A wants budget removes anxiety. With $900 a month, order the appetizer, buy the game, without stressing other bills. But wants can easily expand. Make conscious trade-offs. Pack lunch to free funds for what you value most. Choose deliberately. The final 20% is the most powerful. It's money dedicated to your future self. It covers your savings and aggressive debt repayment. This bucket builds wealth and security. Fund an emergency buffer and withstand job loss. Contribute to retirement accounts. Pay extra on high-interest debts. Every dollar starts working for you and saves future interest. Target $600 a month on $3,000 take-home. Split across emergency, retirement, and extra debt. Automate it on payday so it's effortless. Turn it into a habit. Peace replaces panic. You're buying options, security, and peace of mind. It's your ticket to a future where you're not just surviving, but thriving. My first 30 days became a step-by-step guide. Start with simple, deliberate steps. First, find your total monthly take-home pay. Average a few recent pay stubs after deductions. Example, $4,000. Targets, $2,000 needs, $1,200 wants, $800 savings. Track spending for a couple of weeks. Data shows overages and creep. Savings aren't what's left. They come first. Create a system that enforces the split. Keep needs on auto-pay. 1 for savings and goals. Send 20% automatically. Send wants weekly to pay spending. Spend guilt-free within the boundary. Make mindful choices. By day 30, not perfect, but closer, controlled, and saving the full 20%. Even with a simple system, roadblocks happen. Needs may exceed 50%. Housing, childcare. If you're at 65 or 70%, Temporarily adjust wants, protect savings. Cut non-essentials to hit the goal. Wants overspend is fueled by impulse and marketing. Get granular and trade off. Cancel the low-value stuff. Keep the one that matters. Use a separate account or envelopes. When it's gone, it's gone. Automate tracking. Review in 5 minutes. With high-interest debt, build a small buffer, then attack the highest interest debt. Benefits go beyond your bank account. Needs covered, savings automated, fun funded, worry fades. Clarity improves decisions and control. You direct your money. Vague goals become milestones. Progress appears monthly. It even improves relationships. Try it for 30 days. Find take-home pay. Track without judgment. Calculate your current percentages. Build your system and targets. Ask, does this fit my plan? Learn, adjust, and celebrate progress. Start today. Let money be your tool, not your stress.